Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen noodles. First, bring about 2.5 cups of water to a rolling boil in a small saucepan. Carefully add your ramen noodles to the boiling water. Let them cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they reach your desired tenderness. Finally, stir in the included seasoning packet until it is fully dissolved and evenly distributed. To elevate your ramen's flavor, consider adding a few simple ingredients. A dash of soy sauce, perhaps 1 teaspoon, can deepen the umami. For a fragrant touch, a few drops of sesame oil work wonders. You might also stir in about a half teaspoon of garlic powder for a richer taste. If you enjoy a little heat, a small pinch of red pepper flakes will provide a subtle kick. Now, let's talk about toppings to truly customize your ramen experience. A perfectly soft-boiled egg, sliced in half, adds a wonderful creamy richness and protein. Freshly sliced green onions provide a crisp texture and vibrant flavor. For a more substantial meal, consider adding thinly sliced cooked pork or chicken. And for a unique savory crunch, a few sheets of nori seaweed are fantastic. Here are a couple of quick tips for the best ramen. Avoid overcooking your noodles. They should retain a slight chewiness, not be mushy. Always serve your ramen immediately after preparation to enjoy its optimal temperature and texture. Feel free to experiment with various vegetables like spinach or corn for added nutrition and flavor. Now, go ahead and savor your delicious, easy-to-make ramen creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.